In this video today, we are going to be talking about my tips and tricks of how to actually have a content strategy for 2024-2025. Hope these tips will definitely help you out. Tip number one is to promote yourself on social media. Always start out on social media of what kind of content you're actually going to make. If you're a gamer, I would definitely start out on Twitch, YouTube, TikTok as well. They have a really built-in fan base for gaming, so I would definitely start out on those platforms if you are just starting out. If you are a artist, I would definitely start out either on Twitch, TikTok. I would definitely start on those if you're an artist. And if you want to show you different kind of content, definitely start on YouTube also as well. If you want to become, if you are an IRL streamer, I would definitely either start out on Instagram, TikTok, or Kick as well. So I would definitely start on those if you're going to be an IRL streamer. I would definitely start up on those platforms if I were you. Tip number two is to pick a niche. Pick up what kind of niche your content is actually going to be created around. If you're just doing this for fun, do this full time, or it is your side hustle or your passion, just like myself. Definitely pick your niche of what your content is going to be about and what your personality is about. Tip number three, if you're just starting out of selecting your platform, why not try multi-streaming? Multi-streaming is definitely great to expand your visibility. I did also talk about it in my other videos if you guys want to check it out. That is also another thing that you guys want to start out of selecting your platform, and you have the right platform selected. Should be able to select whatever the platform you are. Do that. Also, the last tip I also do want to talk about is that building a logo, distinct identity, and all of those. Definitely find a really interesting logo of what your brand is going to be about. If you're a gamer, definitely come with a name that is going to stand out, like myself, Noah the Gamer. Or you can go with something like the Dragon. But yeah, just come with some names that is actually unique that will make your content actually stand out and your brand identity, what people are coming for to watch your content. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, be sure to actually hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that like button also as well. Also, comment down below if I did a really great job. If you guys want me to cover more content strategies, let me know. But I hope you guys definitely did enjoy this video. Noah the Gamer away here, and I will see you guys in the next All Things Noah's uploads.